Snooki A1 Garden, y'all. Dollar Tree walkthrough supply garden section. Yeah, 2026. Let's get right into it. Let me call my budget baddies to the front line. Let's go. Now, let's start with these seeds. As you guys can see, they 3 for $1.50. Now, they used to be 4 for $1, but you know, Dollar Tree went up on their prices. I love these seeds. It works for me. I had no problem with it. A lot of people be like, oh, it's too cheap. They don't work. This, that, and the third. But I love them. I like them since I've been doing my garden back in 2024. Yeah, they seeds is no joke, y'all. I love them. I'm the spokesperson of these seeds, okay? I know everything don't work when it comes to seeds, but give them a try. They definitely good if you never had them before, and they budget friendly too, y'all. You get a lot for just the price, and yeah, they got flowers as well. This little bird feeder right here, I never had it before. I heard you could do a lot of DIYs with it, but people say feeding hummingbirds is definitely a no because the hole in it is too small. Okay, guys, these right here are super duper dope. They glass, they so aesthetic, and I bought 3 last year. I bought 2 pink ones and a white one, and I still have mine to this day. The thing I don't like about this is when the water get real low, it's hard to spray. You have to lean it to the side to get it to spray, or just keep it filled up. That's all. These are $125, y'all. They came back. It's a new color right here because I didn't see gold last year, y'all. So definitely is getting more of those, and I okay, let me see what's going on. This bird food right here, I see it every year, and it's $1.50, y'all. Now, you know New York City always got pigeons and a little bit of sparrow, but I want to go ahead and try it out, yo. And you know, cause these pigeons, all they want you to feed them is bread all day, and I ain't got time for all that. But yeah, y'all, I definitely want to go ahead and try that bird food out to see if, you know, birds really like it. They got some shovels right here for your garden, things like that. They have this every year. Now, one thing about Dollar Tree, when they come to their garden section, they're going to have a lot of stuff. They don't really get too much new stuff when it comes to garden section. It'd be maybe 10 or, you know, maybe I wouldn't even say 10 items, probably 3 or 4 items the most. But everything be mostly repeats because it's garden section. So, you know, people need they must have they rakes and they seeds and they containers and things like that. So if you made this far to the video, make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you feeling my video, you know you're gonna bring your Dollar Tree every time. But yeah, y'all, Dollar Tree got some good stuff. Don't get it twisted though. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar is a go-to when it comes to garden section for those who on a budget like me. One thing about me, I don't care. If I can save coins, sign me up. This is my favorite. I always get these every year, y'all. You get 12 for $1.25 or either $1.50. They got the big one too. The big one is 6 for $1.25. These right here, y'all, are so popular. TikTok girls love these, okay, y'all? They go ahead and grow strawberries inside of it, y'all. Strawberries inside. Speaking of strawberries, y'all, I always try to grow with some of this shit, but with that, they go ahead and put a pole in the middle of it, and it do a lot. But yeah, that whatever can y'all saw was $5, y'all. This rocket herb kit, I got one, and I did it last year, but I got mixed feeling about it. It didn't really sprout how I wanted to sprout. But then again, in the day, it's a hit or miss. You never know what's gonna work, but it may not work in that. But I'm about to go ahead in this video, y'all. Like I told you, Dollar Tree don't really get new things like that. I will do a part 2 if you guys are interested in seeing what else that you see right here in Dollar Tree that I did not show and whatnot. But other than that, y'all make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you rocking with me, you already know what time it is, y'all. It's a vibe because we stay shopping the budget. All right, y'all.